New tonight, we're hearing from the sister of Stacey Stites, the 19-year-old found raped and murdered in 1996 after a judge recommended no new trial for her convicted killer, Rodney Reed.
The case now heads back to the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals. KXAN's Daniel Marin has a closer look.
We think that it's time for this to come to an end.
Deborah Oliver says more than 2 decades after losing her sister Stacey, her family is relieved to hear a Bastrop County judge is saying no to a new trial for Rodney Reed.
He's had 25 years and 10 writs. He has failed to prove his innocence.
Judge J.D. Langley's recommendation comes after evidence was reconsidered and new testimony was heard as part of an evidentiary hearing over the summer, with closing arguments just last month. The judge wrote in his 50-page ruling that Reed, quote, has not proven by clear and convincing evidence that he is actually innocent. The now 53-year-old death row inmate alleges Stites' fiancé, former police officer Jimmy Fennell, killed her because she was having an affair with Reed. KXAN spoke with Reed's brother Roderick back in July as Fennell testified in the evidentiary hearing.
Jimmy Fennell has been sitting up there calling everybody else liars, and everything he's saying is the truth, and that's something that any person with common sense would not tend to believe.
Prosecutors maintain an affair between Reed and Stites was never proven and that Fennell was cleared as a suspect. Jane Pucher, an attorney with the Innocence Project, which is representing Reed, said, quote, convicted by an all-white jury, Mr. Reed has spent 23 years on death row for a crime he did not commit. If a new jury heard the overwhelming evidence of Rodney Reed's innocence, it would have reasonable doubts. And the judge's recommendation now goes to the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals, which will make the final decision on whether Reed gets a new trial. No word yet on when the appeals court could rule. Live in the newsroom, Daniel Marin, back to you.